Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K from Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the BlckChrm Mini Kadet over-the-shoulder case. And if you're a hype beast, you know what these look like and have used these before, but if you're not, they definitely have some features from Chrome that I think you'll like a lot. So here's some quick details. 5-liter capacity, lifetime guarantee, which is awesome. This is the Mini Kadet. Here's some specs right here. You can pause the video and take a look at that information anytime. But it has waterproof YKK zipper. It has a zipper cover. It also has a U-lock holder on the back, which I'll show you right now. So here's the U-lock holder, and it's padded right here. And there's a pretty good amount of padding. So if you have it around your chest, it definitely won't hurt as you're riding down the street in your bicycle. Here is a really nice shoulder strap. It's fully padded, and it has these stitches here so you can get air travel through there. We like that. It's all the way to the top padding. And then this is Velcro right here, so you can attach things inside. There's another Velcro piece right here for adjustments. And then down here is the chrome metal pieces, and we all know about these. This is the signature hardware, and it's fully adjustable right here. And then you have these items down here, which can be fully adjusted as well, depending on what you have in your pockets. So in the front innermost pocket, it has a nice zipper with the cover right here to protect from the weather. Also, the fabric is stitched in such a way to have less tearing when you have a lot of product in here, or if it gets snagged on anything. And here is the fully covered zipper pocket right here. YKK zipper again. And so inside, you have a big enough space to put a water bottle, keys. There's a key catch that's right here, so that's handy. There are pockets, and this is padded on the inside as well. So there's a pocket here and a smaller pocket right here. You could put a smaller rechargeable battery in that section right there. And that's it for the Mini Kadet. But the quality, the stitching, the lifetime guarantee, and definitely it's a cool product. I would wear this for sure, traveling around town, or just going places that you need to carry things. This will do that, and it's secure on the front or back part of your body. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.